Financial Moments with Tom Copeland.
Several years ago, a pastor called me explaining that he had been counseling a couple whose marriage relationship was in serious trouble. They had separated and he did not think the marriage could be saved. However, because they argued so often about finances, he referred them to me. I connected with this couple and obtained an understanding of their financial problems. I taught them God's way of managing money, helped them develop and implement a budget, and provided several key scriptures for them to meditate on. They went through my in-depth biblical financial study, Financial Management God's Way, and God, through His Word and His Spirit, enabled them to change the way they think about and manage money. Several months later, the husband thanked me for the financial advice and explained that with the release of the financial pressures, their marriage relationship had been healed and they fell in love again. And what's interesting is this: I only provided biblically based financial advice. I did not provide any marriage counseling. Conclusion: resolving your financial problems can restore your marriage relationship. To learn more, check out CopelandFinancialMinistries.org.